The issue that ReadySignOn is trying to solve is, again, to make the login and the registration process simplified. With most websites, such as this one, there's usually a login or sign in feature at the top. There's a button, if you click on it, where you may be able to log in with your existing account information, or you may be able to create an account if you don't already have one with the website. But this process usually is rather unpleasant because not only some of them are rather lengthy, but also the users often are required to put in their personal information in addition to having to come up with yet another username and password to remember. So ReadySignOn is a solution to make this whole process super easy and super pleasant and also super secure, because you don't have to enter your username and password anymore when you do the login. It's all managed by the app on your mobile device. Let's get started to see how it works. And first of all, I need to enable ReadySignOn for this website. To do that, I'm just going to log into the admin portal, where from the backend I will enable the something called external authentication methods. Here we have 3, and you can see Facebook login is already activated. I'm going to activate ReadyConnect login. So once I've done that, I'm going to close the tab and log out from the website and try to log back in again. On the login page now, here you see one extra button called Ready. If you cursor over it, it says sign in with Ready members. So if I click on that, and here you have a various method to log into the website. You know, you can, as a web operator, you may be able to enable other social login providers. There's a bunch of them, such as Facebook or Twitter. But the easiest and the most secure way is really to use the ReadySignOn, or ReadyTicket rather, here. But where do you get the ReadyTicket? So this is the iPhone app, ReadySignOn, which is an app. It's a free, downloadable from the App Store. If you run this app, right at the top of this app, you see this number. In this case, 2224779. And this is a ReadyTicket. This is all you need to log in using ReadySignOn. So let's try that. Let's type in this number on the computer, 2224779. I'm going to hold the phone right next to the screen. So I got this ReadyTicket here entered. Next, I just need to click on this green button that says Ready. I'm going to hold the phone so you can see how the whole process works. I click on it. See, what happens next is you will get a prompt on your phone, basically asking you, do you authorize this access request? You got 2 options, deny or approve. I'm going to tap on approve. See what happens. What happens is you can see your browser get automatically directed back to your shopping site, where you're already logged in with information from the record on your iPhone. So this is your account. Now, remember, I've never logged. This is my first time logging in. Actually trying to, access it this way using ReadyTicket. So behind the scene, and then you see that there's on the screen it says register, registration completed. So behind the scene, the site actually automatically created an account using the information extracted from your phone. So then you can, from this point on, you will have an account with this website. So even this is the first time you're visiting the site, you can see the registration is automatically done, and all the information is automatically entered according to the information that's already on your phone. This is super easy and super secure because there's no user involvement. So even say your PC is compromised or there's some keylogger, it would not work in this case to steal your information, because the information doesn't even go through your PC. It went from your phone to the site directly. So if you go to your account information, you can see the information extracted matches the one that came from your phone. All right, so that's really is that simple. All you need is just that ready ticket number. You put it in, then you click on ready, and then you're logged in. So that's kind of a magical. So let's do this again. So this time I want you to pay close attention so you don't see how this thing works. All right, so let's do this again. This time I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I got this Apple Watch here. I got an Apple Watch, and it's also got this Ready Ticket on my watch. So essentially, the ReadySignOn has a companion app called ReadySignOn. Yes, ReadySignOn has a companion app for the watch. So you can see this is the this is the ready ticket, and this is the indicator, the R with a circle. This is the how long, because the ticket automatically refreshes once it it reaches the lifespan. For 7-digit, and I think it refreshes automatically for every day. And you can force the refresh just by simply tapping on it, and you can change the length of it too. And if you make it shorter, it will just refresh more frequent. So let's see how this works on an Apple Watch. I'll type in this number. So from my watch, after I click on ready, where I need to enter the ticket, I'll just say, you can't see my keyboard, but I'm gonna type in according to the one on my watch face. It will be 2224779. All right, so I got that typed in there. So next thing, the same thing. I just need to click on ready and see what happens. Right, so what happened is on my watch is I get this prompt saying, kind of similar to what happened on the phone, would you authorize this request? Approve or deny. Access. There's some extra information to make sure that you are approving the correct request. So I'm going to tap on approve. And see what happened next is pay attention to the browser. And same thing, the browser will be redirected back to the e-commerce website where you logged in using the same account where you created earlier, you registered earlier. That's it. That's how you could enable ReadySignOn to essentially make the registration login process super easy and super secure. And hopefully this video is going to be helpful for you as a web operator to make your website more engaging by removing the friction from the registration and login process. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.